In Fort Worth, where hot summers and fluctuating seasonal temperatures are common, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. One of the most effective ways to improve a home's comfort and reduce energy costs is by installing high-performance windows. Among the many window styles available, awning windows stand out for their ability to enhance energy efficiency while adding style and functionality to your home. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating an angled design that allows for controlled ventilation even during light rain. This unique configuration not only improves airflow but also helps maintain a tight seal when the window is closed. A strong seal is critical for preventing air leaks, which can significantly impact heating and cooling efficiency in Fort Worth's variable climate. One of the primary energy-saving advantages of awning windows is their ability to reduce heat transfer. Modern awning windows are typically equipped with insulated glass and energy-efficient frames that minimize the movement of heat between the interior and exterior of your home. This means your air conditioning works less to maintain a comfortable temperature during Fort Worth's hot summer months, leading to lower energy bills and more consistent indoor comfort. Another important factor is enhanced air circulation with minimal energy loss. The outward opening design allows air to flow into the home while still directing it upwards, reducing the impact of direct sunlight and hot outdoor air. This controlled ventilation is particularly beneficial in Fort Worth, where balancing natural airflow with energy efficiency can help reduce reliance on mechanical cooling systems. By allowing fresh air in without compromising insulation, awning windows contribute to a more sustainable and comfortable living environment. Awning windows also provide excellent protection against the elements, which indirectly improves energy efficiency. The angled design allows these windows to remain slightly open even during light rain, preventing moisture from entering the home while still providing ventilation. By reducing the risk of drafts or water intrusion, awning windows maintain their insulating properties and prevent energy loss caused by damaged or poorly sealed windows. High-quality frame materials further enhance energy performance. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad frames are commonly used in modern awning windows, providing durability and resistance to warping, swelling, or cracking. This ensures that the windows maintain a consistent seal over time, preserving their energy-saving benefits in Fort Worth's hot summers, humid days, and occasional cold snaps. Another advantage is the compatibility with energy-efficient glass coatings. Many awning windows feature low-E coatings that reflect infrared and ultraviolet light while allowing visible light to pass through. This reduces solar heat gain inside the home, keeping indoor temperatures cooler and preventing furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. In combination with insulated glass panes, this feature makes awning windows highly effective at controlling energy usage year-round. Awning windows also improve overall home comfort, which is a crucial part of energy efficiency. Properly insulated and sealed windows reduce drafts, hot spots, and cold spots, making it easier to maintain a uniform indoor temperature. When the interior temperature is stable, your HVAC system does not need to work as hard, further saving energy and reducing utility costs. Installation plays a critical role in maximizing these energy efficiency advantages. Professional installation ensures that awning windows are fitted correctly, with tight seals and proper alignment. Even the best designed window will underperform if it is not installed correctly, so working with a trusted contractor in Fort Worth is essential. Finally, upgrading to awning windows can enhance long-term energy efficiency and property value. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows are more appealing to buyers and can provide tangible savings over time. By investing in high-quality awning windows, homeowners can enjoy immediate comfort benefits while securing a lasting return on their investment. In conclusion, awning windows offer a range of energy efficiency advantages that make them an ideal choice for Fort Worth homes. Their unique design, high-quality materials, and ability to balance ventilation with insulation help reduce energy costs, improve indoor comfort, and protect your home against the elements. For homeowners seeking a stylish, functional, and energy-efficient window solution, Awning windows are a smart and long-lasting upgrade.